Welcome, this is the second question of the practice questions tutorial, and we're being asked to calculate the gradient between 2 points, point A and point B, which happen to have these two coordinates. Now, you might recall, if you want to work out the gradient, you have to think about the definition, which is gradient equals rise over run, to work this out. Now, before carrying on, you should pause the video and try the question yourself, and then when you've finished it and you want to check your solutions, please come back to the video. Okay, hopefully you've had time to finish the question, and in terms of your working and calculations, you should have written down something which looks a bit like this. So we know that we use the letter M for gradient, and that we know we need to work out the difference in the y values, so 4 minus 2, and divide this by the difference in the x values, so we can see that's 4 minus 0, and so we just need to simplify this a bit. So that becomes 2 over 4. Further simplification means that the gradient m is equal to a half. Now, in terms of trying to visualize what this might look like, it's always good to draw a graph to see what it does look like in reality. And we can see point A there, that's 0, 2, and point B, that's at 4, 4. So we can see every time we go along the x-axis by 2 unit squares, we should rise by at least 1 unit square. So it doesn't really matter where along this line we start. For every 2 unit squares we go along, we should rise by 1. Every 2 that we go along, we should rise by 1. And that looks like it's absolutely correct and absolutely fine for the final solution.